munga wannan ushu di tam lab conservation of energy wai o bal dati di kim tsada automatically process shi wani ci munga tam ko conductor energy bil bazai proto. Now this the Evo equations valid as long the magnetic field current and velocity mutually perpendicular the over that one. Current or velocity magnetic field perpendicular. Now if they are not there then their mutually perpendicular component are used. They can mutual perpendicular component. This is called so motional EV. They can is mutual motional EV. Lab conservation of energy process of EV. The total issue motion EV. This process the EV so motional EV. اوس ویل شي سیلف انډیوس ایمپ ایمپ په خپل ځان کې دننه پیدا کول سیلف په خپل ځان کې دننه ایمپ پسین پیدا کیږي the emp induced in coil due to carrying a current is called induced emf self induced emf خپل ځان کې دننه emf پیدا کی سو دا coil کې due to carrying current پکې پاسي په coil کې دننه دي کې induced emf پیدا کی څنګه we have already studied that when the conductor is stationary conductor मतलब stationary دی بځای پروت دی and the field is changing with among the EMF induced in the conductor is statically induced EMF by the way has self induced EMF motivation self induced EMF munga satawi mun already study ga chi mun sari conductor बځای پروت stationary دی ور the magnetic field ته mun change کو دي کې کوم EMF پیدا کیږي دا EMF خپل self پیدا کیږي او دا کې موږ induced EMF وایو self induced EMF هم وته وایو example of statically induced EMF چې کوم دی show the current carrying a coil the magnetic field established start the coil if the current in the coil changing then the flux linked the coil also change and the EMF induced the coil this is known as self-induced EMF and the direction of the EMF by Lenz's law means such to oppose the cause produced it is namely the change of current and hence speed in the coil and the self-induced EMF will persist so long as the current in the coil is changing so it is concluded that when current in the coil changes the self-induced EMF opposes the change of current in the coil which is known as self-induced EMF or inductance singa they which produce to namely change of current mungoko and hence speed in the coil the self-induced EMF will persist as long as the current to मतलब अश्योर पूरा की नहीं यार एक ही खबर असी की मतलब हो persistent खबरदार अशे दीवी चे persist को मुंगा self induced EMF हो ची long is the current and the coil की मुंगा changing राउस तो coil की दन्ना changing राउस so it is concluded that when the current and the coil change already coil की दन्ना मुंगा change राउस वाला the current पर change की self induced EMF oppose की the change of current in the coil which is known as the self inductance and inductance कल ची मुंगा coil की दन्ना खपल changing राउस तो already ये current केम changing राउस and the then self induced inductance को inductance और self induced EMF already इनको भी चंदो चिकला मुंगा conductor पर दे प्रोते electromagnetic field दल्ला मख के सुविधा के तोंगा बल दावे शो ची induced EMF को मत शो self induced EMF